Hi, I'm Don Hammond, California's criminal defense hero. Today I want to talk about felony expungements. In a felony case, after somebody's been convicted, if they were granted probation or for some other reason did not serve actual state prison time, they're eligible to go back in most cases and have the case reduced to a misdemeanor under Penal Code Section 17B, and then have the case dismissed under Penal Code Section 1203.4. Having it reduced to a misdemeanor is helpful for a variety of reasons. So you can say there's never been a felony on your record. And then having the case dismissed allows you to say, nope, never been convicted of anything. The vast majority of convictions are eligible for this kind of relief as long as the defendant never served any time in state prison. Even if there was state prison time under new laws in the last several years, the case may be eligible. If it's a case where now you wouldn't be sentenced to state prison, it would be a state prison served locally in county jail under 1170H. That can also be grounds to have that reduced and expunged. So there are a variety of different circumstances. These kinds of things are highly fact specific. We need to look at the case records and figure out what you're eligible for. And we're happy to help. Give us a call, 323-529-3660. Thank you.